Frontal cells. Frontal cells, also called Kuhn's cells, are ethmoidal cells intimately related to the agger nasi. And according to the pneumatization pattern, frontal cells are divided into four distinct types called the Kuhn's classification, types 1 to 4. Type 1. These are the most common. They are single and located above the agger nasi cell and inferior to the frontal sinus floor. This is the agger nasi, and this is the type 1 single cell above the agger nasi, inferior to the frontal sinus floor, type 1. Type 2. These are two or more ethmoidal cells which pneumatize above the agger nasi cell and extends towards the interior of the frontal sinus. This is the agger nasi, and these are the type 2 frontal cells, 2 or more, and they are located above the agger nasi and present a ladder-like appearance. Type 3. These are single anti-ethmoidal cells which, because of their large volume, pneumatize above the agger nasi, superiorly extending into the frontal sinus. This is the type 3 frontal cell, single, located above the agger nasi and extending into the frontal sinus. Type 4. These are less frequent, isolated cells located within the frontal sinus above the agger nasi. Here is the type 4 Kuhn's classification of frontal cell, isolated and located within the frontal sinus. The four types of frontal cells called the Kuhn's classification, type 1 through type 4.